So as I said, Canvas has been the statewide learning management system since 2015. It has proven itself to be a great thought partner in K-12 education within the past 5 years. Canvas is a learning platform that is used by over 950,000 K-12 students and staff members across the state. During the 2020-2021 school year, it will be expanded to over 1.3 million user accounts. It is used by teachers and students to access online courses and instructional material.
Canvas es una plataforma de aprendizaje usada por más de 950,000 estudiantes de kinder a grado 12 y funcionarios alrededor del estado. Durante el año escolar 2020-2021 será expandido a más de 1.3 millones de usuarios. Es usado por profesores y estudiantes para acceder a sus cursos en línea y a materiales de aprendizaje.
So now we're going to talk about how parents can access Canvas. To access Canvas, parents must visit the cumberlandcanvas.instructure.com site as listed here on the screen. From that link or that web address, you can sign up for a parent account in the top right corner. And then you may use the student-generated pairing code or a pairing code shared with you from your child's teacher. You may contact your child's school for more information about your account.
Para que los padres puedan tener acceso a Canvas, es necesario que visiten el sitio de cumberlandcanvas.instructure.com/login/canvas. Número 2, accedan a la cuenta de padres en la esquina superior derecha. Luego, usen el código generado del estudiante o el código entregado por el profesor de su hijo o hija y pueda contactar a la escuela de su hijo o hija para mayor información sobre su cuenta.
I'm going to show you a video. It will be translated in English and Spanish on what it looks like to actually sign up for a Canvas parent account. Parents can create an account and sign up as an observer in Canvas.
Los padres pueden crear su cuenta e ingresar como observadores en Canvas.
Parent observers can view student assignments and due dates.
Los padres observadores pueden ver las tareas de los estudiantes y las fechas límites de estas.
Please note, when you sign up to create an account, you must do so from a computer and not a mobile device.
Tener en consideración que cuando accedes a la cuenta de los padres deben hacerlo desde un computador y no desde un equipo móvil.
Once you have created your account, you can access Canvas from a computer, a mobile device, or an app.
Una vez que ya hayan creado su cuenta, podrán acceder a esta desde un computador, desde un equipo móvil o desde un app.
The first step in creating an account is to go to this address right here at the top, cumberlandcanvas.instructure.com.
El primer paso para crear su cuenta es ingresar a esta cuenta, a esta dirección, cumberlandcanvas.instructure.com/login/canvas.
Once you get to this page, all you have to do is select the Parent of a Canvas User link in the top right corner.
Una vez que ingresaron a esta dirección, tienen que hacer clic en la parte superior derecha donde dice Parent of a Canvas User.
From here, you will fill in your name, your email address, create a password, re-enter your password, and a student pairing code.
Una vez ingresado, tienen que poner su nombre, su dirección de email, crear su clave, reingresar su clave y luego el código de estudiante.
The student pairing code can be obtained from your child or your child's teacher.
El código puede ser obtenido por el estudiante o la profesora del estudiante.
For information about accessing a pairing code for your child, please contact the school.
Para mayor información sobre cómo acceder el código de estudiante, por favor comunicarse con la escuela de su hijo o hija.
Once you create your account, you will click Start Participating and your account has been created.
Una vez que hayan ingresado el código, pueden hacer clic en Start Participating y tu cuenta ya ha sido creada.
After you have created your account, you may add other children to your account to start observing.
Una vez que ya hayas creado tu cuenta, podrás agregar más estudiantes a esta misma cuenta.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Gracias, que tengas un lindo día.
Okay. So straightforward enough, you just have to make sure that you initially sign on or sign up using a computer and not the app, and you access the Cumberland Canvas sign-up page.
Solamente tienes que estar seguro de crear tu cuenta desde un computador, no de un dispositivo móvil, y acceder a la dirección que se mostró.
So now let's talk about what parents see in Canvas. Parent-created accounts cannot participate in the course. Parents will be able to see the following: assignment due dates, announcements, and course content.
Las cuentas creadas para padres tienen solo un rol de observador, lo que significa que no pueden participar en el curso. Lo que pueden ver es lo siguiente: las fechas límite de las tareas, los anuncios y los contenidos del curso.
Now let's talk about grades in Canvas. While assignment grading information is available to view in Canvas, PowerSchool is still Cumberland County Schools' authoritative source for accurate grading information.
Sobre las calificaciones en Canvas. Mientras la información sobre las tareas calificadas están disponibles en Canvas, PowerSchool sigue siendo la fuente oficial de las escuelas de Cumberland County.
So that concludes the Canvas 101 sign up and what parents can see in Canvas, and we can now move on to questions.
Esto sería entonces lo que fue el Canvas 101 para el portal de padres, y ahora podemos pasar a las preguntas.
So if you have any questions about what we've discussed tonight, please feel free to enter it in our chat. Remember, you just take your mouse, scroll the bottom of the toolbar, you will see the chat feature. If you click that, you can type in any questions that you may have. Other than that, I would have to see your hand to let them know that you have a question. We do have a couple questions in the chat. Miss Harley says, I tried following directions given from school, but was given an error. I'm not really sure about the question on that, Miss Harley. So if you want to clarify in the chat, you're welcome to do that. The next question was, what is the best way to get the pairing code?
The best way to get the pairing code is to have your child log into Canvas and create the pairing code for you. There are directions that have been shared with schools on how to obtain a pairing code. The instructions include how to have a student-generated pairing code, as well as a way for teachers to generate a pairing code and share with you. They're both pretty simple. It just depends on the school's preference and how they share that information with parents.
Another question, Madeline, do you want to?
Estoy tratando de llegar a.
No problem. Is the pairing code the student's lunch number?
The pairing code is not the student's lunch number. It is a unique code created within Canvas and can only be used by one parent at a time. So if the mother uses the pairing code, then the other parent will need a separate pairing code to create an account. So each pairing code is individualized per observer. It can only be used once.
Ujú. Entonces, el código del estudiante no es su número de lunch o su ID. Es el código que se puede obtener desde Canvas y desde la sesión de su hijo o hija. Y cada padre va a tener uno diferente.
When will the platform be launched?
Parents are able to access, students or K-12 students have access to Canvas now. Parents are able to access Canvas as a parent observer using the information that we shared immediately. If you need information on how to obtain a pairing code, I would suggest reaching out to your child's teacher.
Pueden acceder al... Sorry.
Go ahead, continue, I'm sorry.
Ok, se decía que se puede acceder desde ahora al portal de padres, desde la cuenta de su hijo, ya está funcionando, pero si requiere mayor información, contacta a la escuela de él o ella.
The next question is, why does the to-do list not update with PowerSchool?
So the to-do list usually represents assignments. Not all assignments are shared to PowerSchool. It depends on how a teacher syncs them. And K2 students do not have, are not synced to PowerSchool. So basically for K2, Canvas does not talk directly to PowerSchool. Teachers have to manually input the assignments in both places. The to-do list will not sync to PowerSchool unless a teacher manually syncs it or sets it up so that those assignments translate directly.
Okay. So, PowerSchool solamente va a estar sincronizado con Canvas dependiendo de cómo el profesor lo haya hecho, lo haya establecido. Y, por ejemplo, desde kinder a segundo no están sincronizados, sino que el profesor lo ingresa manualmente. Por lo tanto, no siempre la lista de lo que está pendiente va a estar sincronizado con PowerSchool.
The next question is regarding the recording of the video, and I can go ahead and answer that. We are recording, and the video will be played on our social media, our Cumberland County Schools Facebook page, as well as our Cumberland County Schools YouTube on next Tuesday at 6:00 p.m. After that is played on Tuesday, you will be able to access it on our YouTube channel at your convenience. So this will be played again. If you were joining us late or you need to get a refresher, you will have access to it on Tuesday at 6 on our Facebook page as well as YouTube.
Ese video lo van a poder encontrar en las redes sociales, en Facebook y en YouTube desde el martes. Por si quieren volver a revisar, algo que quieran recordar, desde el martes.
There is and this is Ms. Harley from earlier. She put in the pairing code, but it does not work.
Okay, so I would first make sure that you are using a computer and not the app or a mobile device when you're creating your account, because sometimes that can kick back an error with the pairing code. But also, if you're using a device or a computer to sign up, then I would try either asking your child's teacher for a refreshed or a new pairing code. Maybe it wasn't put in a timely manner, or to make sure that no one else in your family has used that pairing code already, because remember, it can only be used one time.
Los códigos de acceso pueden tener error si lo están ocupando en una aplicación o en un dispositivo móvil. Tienen que estar seguros de que lo están usando en un computador y que es la primera vez que ese código se usa, ¿ok? Porque si lo va a usar otro familiar, tiene que ser un nuevo código. Así que es mejor comunicarse con la escuela.
how do we get the parent sign-in page?
So if it's okay with you, Ms. George, I will share the direct link so that you can post it along with this video.
Absolutely. I understand that PowerSchool displays the official grades, but does Canvas show real-time grades?
So there has been a few syncing issues with PowerSchool, but I believe as long as the teacher has it set up to sync, that it should reflect grades at least within 24 hours unless there is a syncing error. That's why we really want to emphasize that Canvas is meant to access student work, but PowerSchool is where you would go to access student grades.
Ujú. Entonces, que quede bien claro que Canvas es para mostrar y para realizar el trabajo de los estudiantes, mientras que PowerSchool es para reflejar sus calificaciones.
Is there a way to see, and that just bounced down, is there a way to see the teacher's comments in the email notifications that we receive on assignments without having to log in?
This is something that I have asked Canvas recently. I do not believe so. I believe you do have to sign in. Not sure why, maybe it's a security measure.
Ujú. Para ver los comentarios del profesor acerca de las tareas de los estudiantes es necesario ingresar a Canvas. No se puede ver directo solamente de tu correo electrónico.
Are all teachers required to use Canvas?
This is something that I would ask your child's school. It is really, I know that I work with K-12 students and teachers in Canvas, but if you have a specific question about Canvas used with your child's school, I would contact the school themselves.
Ujú. Si tienen preguntas específicas sobre la clase de su hijo o hija en relación a Canvas, es mejor preguntarlo directamente con la escuela.
Is this the same as the NCVPS login for Canvas?
If you have a parent account with NCVPS already, you may be able to see your child's Cumberland Canvas information. I'm not sure how it's linked. You might need to add a pairing code from Cumberland Canvas. It works the same way. Canvas is used with NCVPS. I don't know though if you will automatically see your child's Cumberland Canvas information if you already have an NCVPS account. That I'm not sure.
Ujú. No estamos seguras si las cuentas de NCVPS tienen directo sincronización con Canvas. Puede que sí, pero tendríamos que revisarlo.
The question is, are we only able to use a laptop or computer and not a phone or Kindle to create a parent account?
It is the recommendation that you use a laptop or computer to create your account. You could use your child's Chromebook to create the account as long as they are completely logged out, and that will be fine.
Claro, para poder crear la cuenta de padres tiene que ser es recomendable que se haga desde un computador y pueden usar el computador de su hijo o hija que entregado por la escuela.
The question is regarding, let's see, the direct link for parents to for the parent sign up page. Will it be provided in this chat or on the social media page? We'll try to provide it in this chat. Sabrina, can you, if you can,
Yes.
post it in this chat?
Yeah.
So we will post that in the chat. You'll also see another link in the chat that's for the form for evaluation for this Family Academy workshop. So that link is already in the chat, but we will also try to post in the chat the direct link for parent sign up.
Uh-huh. Dentro de la ventana de texto hay dos links, que es uno para la asistencia y el otro para la evaluación de la sesión.
Is there a way for students that don't speak English to be able to navigate through Canvas in Spanish?
There is a way for your child to log into Canvas and go to their settings and change the default from English to another language. Spanish is an option.
Ujú. Se puede cambiar el idioma en Canvas si van a Settings o Configuraciones, y ahí pueden ir al idioma y cambiar el default, que es el que viene, que es en inglés, y español es una de las opciones que está presente ahí.
We just posted in the chat the direct link for parent sign-in. So everyone should be able to see that. It's the Cumberland Canvas login for the parents setup for the Canvas tool, and also reshare the form for the evaluation for tonight. That looks like it completes our questions for today. Thank you so much, Sabrina and Madeline, for leading us through our Canvas 101 discussion. Families, thank you so much for registering and taking the time to join us tonight. If